What's up guys, and welcome to the 48th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about addresses of references. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is go right to the top and type in int main parentheses, go to your next one and type in squiggly braces, curly braces, and type in int actual int equals 123 like we did in the last tutorial. Next line will be int ampersand other int equals actual int. So if I just copy this, command V that there, close that off and go to the next line and type in std cout less than your ampersand and your actual int equals your ampersand other int. So copy this, paste that there, close that off and see what happens. So this program should run. So we have a program that demonstrates the addresses of references. We can compile this, but before we compile it, let's just explain what's actually happening. So at the top where it says int actual int equals 123, instantiate a variable. On the next line we instantiate a reference to a variable, and then on the third line we display the addresses of both, which are the same addresses. So if I run this and see what happens, build succeeded, then we have all the addresses. This address is the same as that address. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.